Mosquito Repellent Magic. Just add this to the bowl and watch them disappear in 5 minutes. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. If your house is full of mosquitoes, don't worry. Follow me to discover an extremely practical tip. Just 5 minutes and the mosquitoes will be completely eliminated, many times more effective than regular mosquito coils. Spring is coming. The warm weather makes mosquitoes start to work. Families who grow flowers and ornamental plants are more likely to experience a sharp increase in mosquitoes. Using mosquito repellent chemicals can be effective, but it reduces air quality. This is especially dangerous for young children and the elderly. Just one mosquito buzzing in your ear is enough to ruin your sleep, making the whole family tired. To both repel mosquitoes and keep the air clean, I will guide you through an easy and effective method right at home. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. First, take an empty mineral water bottle from household waste. Use scissors to cut about 2/3 of the bottle. This process requires patience. Try to cut it flat to make the next steps easier. After cutting, the edge of the bottle is a bit sharp, can scratch your hands, so use scissors to cut it to ensure safety. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, flip the funnel-shaped upper part into the lower part. At this time, you must use force to push it in so that it does not fall out even if shaken vigorously. This is the prototype of a simple mosquito trap. Although it looks simple, this is a deadly trap for mosquitoes. Next, prepare a super effective mosquito catching solution. Everyone knows that mosquitoes are very cunning, mainly relying on the acid smell from sweat and CO2 gas from breath to identify the target and then bite. This mosquito catching solution is based on the principle of bionics, can be called a mosquito killer. Take a small clean bowl, pour in white vinegar. The sour taste of vinegar simulates the acidity of human sweat. Add the same amount of warm water to make the vinegar milder and more natural. Add a small spoon of white sugar and a small spoon of yeast. Sugar and yeast have the effect of producing gas, creating an effect similar to CO2 from breath to attract mosquitoes. Use a spoon to stir well to dissolve the vinegar. Once mixed, pour this solution into the prepared mosquito trap. Note the height of the solution when pouring in. This is an important factor for effective trapping. After pouring, shake vigorously to disperse the solution evenly, releasing the attraction in all directions. The final step is to place the trap in a suitable location. The trap should be placed where mosquitoes often go, preferably windows, the main entrance of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes will be attracted as soon as they try to fly into the house. The trap can be placed in the corner of the room, where the smell while sleeping also attracts mosquitoes. In addition, the bathroom is humid and dark. Near the toilet is where mosquitoes often gather, so it is very reasonable to set traps. Ornamental plant growers should place traps near flower pots because this is the nest for mosquitoes to breed. Don't forget the places near the drain where mosquitoes breed. Once the trap is placed, mosquitoes will have no way out. The acid in the mosquito-catching solution perfectly simulates the acid from human sweat. Sugar and yeast ferment to create foam similar to CO2 from breath. Combined with a smart trap design, mosquitoes will be attracted. Once mosquitoes get in, they cannot escape, helping you create a mosquito-free space. Try it now. Method 2. In spring, not only mosquitoes but also flies, cockroaches, and small insects appear. Discarded fruit peels such as banana peels, apple peels, snow pear peels can be used at this time. This time I used banana peels, extremely effective against small mosquitoes. Cut the banana peel into small pieces, the smaller the better so that the smell is stronger. Add white sugar and warm water. Stir well to dissolve the sugar. The mixture ferments quickly. Pour this mixture into the trap. Place it in a quiet corner. Leave it overnight. The next morning, the solution will foam slightly and give off a slightly sour smell. Don't hate this smell. This is a secret weapon to kill flies and small insects. Flies and small insects cannot stand this sour smell. They mistake this for a food paradise and are attracted to the trap. Place the trap next to the drain in a dark and damp place or near the trash can in the kitchen. They will be attracted and cannot escape. Method 3. Pour clean water into a basin or bowl. Do not fill it too full because mosquitoes can easily fly out. The water level is about 2 to 3 centimeters is enough. Drop 2 to 3 drops of dishwashing liquid or liquid soap into the water. If you like, you can use mint or lemon-scented soap to attract mosquitoes and create a pleasant smell. Stir gently to dissolve the soap in the water. Do not stir too hard, just gently to create a slightly foamy soap surface. Choose where mosquitoes often appear. Near the bed, corner of the room, window, damp place. Keep out of reach of children and pets. You can place many small bowls in different locations to increase effectiveness. Mosquitoes are attracted to the surface of the water. When landing, the soap layer breaks the surface tension of the water. The mosquitoes will sink and die. This is a natural, safe method without toxic chemicals. In addition to mosquitoes, flies, and small insects, cockroaches are also very annoying. Especially in the summer, they often appear in the kitchen. This cockroach species is also known as oil thief, loves sweet and fatty foods. Today, I will guide you to make a super strong cockroach trap from leftovers. Choose cakes, cookies, small fried dough sticks. Crush them. Add a small spoon of sugar. Mix with a spoon of detergent. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place the mixture in the corners of the kitchen, not near the stove. The sweet smell will attract cockroaches. When cockroaches eat the bait, they will be poisonous to cockroaches by the boric acid in the detergent, but not harmful to humans. Cockroaches also have the habit of eating the bodies of their own kind, so when one dies, the others will also be poisoned. This method easily eliminates the entire nest of cockroaches. These homemade traps are cheap. The materials are easy to find, simple but surprisingly effective. Mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, or small insects can all be caught easily. Say goodbye to smelly and dangerous chemical traps. Use natural, environmentally friendly methods to create a healthy, comfortable living space for your family. Practice now to make insects disappear and enjoy a clean, insect-free life. Today's video is over. Remember to like, share, and follow to help many others. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.